my channel. It's Faith. So in today's video we are doing how I do my nails slash fake nails at home. Also a disclaimer, if you hear a noise in the background, that is my fan. It is very hot outside. It's like 80 degrees outside. So, and I have this really huge ring light that's beaming on me, so I have to have my fan on. So sorry if you like hear the noise in the background. It's my fan. These are the nails that I have on now, so I'm going to show you how I do something similar to this. So because we are home, I cannot go to the nail salon because all the nail salons are closed. So I found a way to do my nails at home, and this is the easiest, most simplest way for me, and I really love their designs. I'm using impression nails. These are fake press-on nails, if you want to know. They're not glued or anything. These are press-on, but I am so obsessed. This is my first time using this brand and first time actually loving press-on nails. I usually have a really hard time putting on press-on nails and they never last long, or it's always like just a regular French manicure, but I'm obsessed with this style. I have these on for about 2 weeks or a week or so. That's how they look. If you can see, they're kind of growing out. So I decided to do a new set with you guys today and show you how I do them. It says Impress. Oh, I'm sorry, the brand is not called Impression, it is called Impress press-on nails. And this nails, which are these, the ones that I have on, they are from the Couture collection, so it's in like the black box. And then the new ones that I'm putting on today, these are how they look. Same brand, but these are just square and a different design. But yeah, Impress nails, they all come with 30 nails, so in case one nail falls off or you want to do a complete different set, you have a whole lot to switch and change with. When I go to the nail salon, I usually get like acrylics, but I usually get them coffin shaped, so I wanted to try something new. So I decided to do like this almond shape, and I really love it. And can we just talk about like the glitter, like what are they, the gems? The gems were so pretty, and it looks like so like expensive. Like you would think this was like an expensive set of nails, but I only paid, I'm not sure, I got these at Target, but I believe it was under $10 for a set of these nails. So I mean, a $10 manicure at home, it's a win. And then this one that I recently bought a few days ago, I got this one at Walgreens. So they do sell at like Target, Walgreens, or you can just go online to, I guess, Impress. I'm not sure like what it's on, but you can just find these online, so you can basically get them anywhere. And they have a bunch of different styles, different shapes, different lengths. All right, so I'm going to take these off, and the instructions say, I actually lost the other instructions, but I'll open the new pack and it tells you how to take off these nails. So in the back, these are the new nails, these are how they look. This is the pre-pad, so that you can wipe down your nails before you put new nails on. So that's how it looks. And then this is like a cuticle pushback thingy. So I'll just take those off and rest that there. And it also comes with a nail file. File your nails. This is how you put them on. It helps you with the size that you want, left hand, right hand, like so.
picture on my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over words for hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over words for hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline. Over words for hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline.
Okay, so I'm going to match the sizes, and if you want to make sure that all the sizes are close to the same, you can't see it, but at the bottom it has the numbers, so those numbers can help you know your size better.
you.